In this part, I will cover two main aspects. First, installation of BeTheme and its activation, and the second, what is BeTheme, an overview of features and benefits, including a brief discussion of the plugins available within the license, as well as an introduction to the dashboard, theme options, templates, and the builder itself. What you actually see is the default look of WordPress dashboard. To install theme, please navigate to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New Theme button, located in the top left corner. Now, let's click Upload Theme button. As the message says, you need a theme file in a zip format, so please make sure you have correct file, as otherwise theme won't install. In case you've downloaded all files and documentation from ThemeForest instead of installable WordPress file only, you have to unzip package first, and the right theme file will be located inside. Let's click Browse button and select the right file then. Because I will be installing BeTheme, my file name is betheme.zip. Now, let's click Install Now button. As soon as theme is installed, you will see the message, theme installed successfully. Now, we can activate the theme using the license key provided by ThemeForest after purchase. And that's basically it. Simple, isn't it?